Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. So if you're watching a recording, you can just fast forward 3 or 4 minutes and or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Val. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Jana. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will explore the embodiment of the right or thoughtful speech. By now, you know that embodiment is an action, the way we do our emotions in our body. So, how does thoughtful speech feel in our body? Let's investigate. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in, to find your primary anchor, which is your breath or any sensation in your body. Something that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that you've been distracted. Let your breath be comfortable, easy, uncontrolled. Simply notice how the breath moves in your body. What happens as you inhale? What happens as you exhale? And let this easy breath be your invitation to bring some effortlessness into your whole system, body, mind, and heart. Scan your body from top to bottom, allowing all the tension that can be released to soften, allowing yourself to lean into the support of the ground. And now, maybe you want to close your eyes or keep them open if you want. Either way, remember a situation where you were having a challenging conversation, maybe an argument, in which you were not employing the principles of right or thoughtful speech. A conversation in which you were just blurting out your mind mindlessly without even trying to understand what the other person had to say. Or perhaps you were just lashing out verbally with the actual intention to hurt the other person's feelings with your words. As you remember this, notice, or rather remember, how did you feel during that conversation and then afterwards? Tune into your body and try to remember all the physical sensations of that interaction. Now notice how you feel now, remembering all of this. Where do you feel it in your body? How does it manifest? And remember that embodiment is not about what you think, but about how your body feels. So connect with your direct physical experience and simply observe the sensations. And now let yourself shake off this experience. Move around, maybe even literally shake through your body a little. Open your eyes if they were closed. Do what you need to do to let go of that exploration. And now maybe close your eyes again, and let's take a few moments to reframe that conversation in your mind. Literally repeat the same conversation to yourself, but now with the intention to employ the principles of right or thoughtful speech. How could it have gone if you were thoughtful during that interaction, and if your intention was not to lash out, but rather to really resolve the conflict? What would you be saying? How would you be saying it? Would you let the other person speak more? Would you take pauses before you respond? Would you actively listen? And as you go through this reframe in your mind, tune into the sensations in your body and notice how you're feeling now when your intention is to stay within the framework of the thoughtful speech. What is the actual physical experience of right speech in your body? Where do you feel it the most? And remember, it's not about thoughts, but about the embodiment, the physical expression of your emotions. I'll give you a few minutes to do that. As you go through your day today, I invite you to pay attention to the conversations you are having and notice how you are interacting with other people. Is it easy for you to implement the principles of thoughtful, right speech, or is it challenging? How does your body react to the different types of interactions you are having? What does mindless interaction feel in your body? How does thoughtful interaction feel? Have fun with this exploration, and as always, be honest with yourself. This is what's going to help you change your behaviors if you choose so. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.